picture for the ones that are lost in life. But even dreamers have the power to save a friend. And I know you are afraid that you'll fail again. You can take it to the grave, but it doesn't end with you. In the blue. You say you haven't been yourself for a long, long time. Barely awake and it is already on your mind. But even if you open up and it's all pretend, and I know you think it's worth every time you spend, you can take it to the grave, but it doesn't end with you.
And how is it going, guys? So we finally reached our hotel. As you can see, the weather is awful. My seat is down there, you barely can see it. Worst possible place to be put in, but that's what it is. I'm already 14 days here. I didn't have any motivation to film because this place sucks. And tomorrow my parents are coming to pick me up from here, and then I'm gonna go home and getting new ideas to film back home. This is the mess we're living in. I set up my laptop right there. Everything is like messy, like we don't even have motivation to clear stuff up. We just want to leave this place. I got my setup here. My parents brought me my PS4.
In the blue. In the blue.
And after so long, I'm back home, guys. So welcome to my room and welcome back to my channel. As you guys know, my name is Philip. I do cruise ship vlogs, but for now, since everything is closed down, I'm gonna do my personal life vlogs. If you guys have any questions, if you guys have anything to say, just use the comment section below. Do I need to improve something about my videos? Do you need to improve my English? I know I need to improve my English because I haven't spoke for like 2 or 3 years constantly. So of course I need to improve my English. And if you guys have any ideas for what should I film from back home, I live in Skopje, Macedonia, which is, I mean, my country. There's nothing much to see here. But if you guys want to see something, I'm most likely gonna film it and do it just for you. As you guys know, I've been quarantined since the 18th of March on board Princess Ruby ship in Sydney. So if you guys know, New Zealand government closed the borders at the 15th of March, and then our ship started cruising back to Sydney to disembark the guests there. After 19th of March, we didn't have any guests on board. We did a crew party on the top deck. We thought as a crew members we're gonna be a little bit like 1 or 2 weeks we're gonna close, but as the period goes on, I mean, you know, it's still pandemic. The cruise lines are still not open for business. And from 19th of March I was on the ship, and we didn't stop like sailing from one place to another just to keep the ship running for 1.5 months. So I was working on the ship. I was delivering food. If you guys see these videos, where I was delivering food for the crew members who were completely quarantined, who cannot leave the rooms. I was cleaning the ship, I was taking the garbage out, I was doing so many stuff. And on the April of 20th, just like out of nowhere, I just get an announcement I'm going home tomorrow. And you know, you gotta do what you gotta do. I had more clothes than I have in my bags. I was throwing away stuff because I couldn't fit in my bag. I threw away 2 jackets from the company, shirts, I mean so many stuff. And when I get back home, my bag was like torn apart from stuff that I put it into it. So on the April of 20th, I get in a hotel in Sydney, which you can guys from the last video that I posted, and from from 21st I had my first flight to Doha, and from Sydney until I reached my country it took me almost 4 days, guys, almost 4 days. We came after we had 20 hours stay in the Athens airport, and we barely had any food. We needed to contact authorities there, and that's how we get food. That's how we get allowed to go and buy some food. Otherwise, I didn't know what we're gonna do for 20 hours there without food or water. We were like in this little corner with only metal benches, and we spent our 20 hours there. At least we had a Wi-Fi we could use, and we could watch some videos and do some stuff. Otherwise, the 20 hours gonna be would be the longest 20 hours I've ever experienced. And after that, we caught the plane. It was like 40 minutes flight from Athens to Thessaloniki in Greece. And after Thessaloniki, we got a cab until the border. So we used to take our bags and in our hands and go through both borders, Greece border and Macedonian border, of course. And we were told we're gonna have a van or a bus that's gonna be waiting up for at 10 a.m. in the morning. We were there at 9:50, and we were like running to not miss the bus, but unfortunately there was no bus at 10 a.m. so it was at 10 p.m. I hardly slept for like 30 plus hours, and I couldn't take it anymore. At around 6 or 7 p.m. I fall asleep on the chair that was there on the border. Shout out to the police officer right there. We had so much fun talking to them. We had a great time, but sometimes our body can handle it, and we were just falling asleep there on the chairs. We get the cab. There was like a little cab. We get in it, and I was like I fall asleep, and I didn't even remember what I was any time that we reached the hotel. After midnight we reached the hotel finally, and since then I was 14 days quarantined in a hotel in my country. You can see my city, like I was 10 minutes away from home, but I survived these 14 days, and I'm now here, and I'm like 14 days more home quarantine back home. And we got a new family member since I got here. I just woke her up. This is my new member of the family. So I need to build a yard outside for them, for my my big boy is there in the back. She's a very smart girl, and if you guys want to see more content of her and him, let me know down in the comment. Let me know in the comments below. I don't know, guys, if you wanna. I don't know when my new contract gonna start. I don't know when the cruise company is gonna start cruising again, and when I get my job back. But for now, this is what I got. This is what I'm working with. Wow. So guys, if you haven't subscribed, just press the subscribe button and also the notification bell. It's a great support for me, great support for making these videos, making everything possible. If you guys have any suggestions of what I should use about my camera, for now my lens is still broken and I cannot even adjust. Sometimes the picture is blurry, and I still cannot adjust sometimes the focus, because it's old camera. It's almost 10 years old, but it still does the job, and that's why I'm using it. If you guys have any suggestion, any advices for me, if you guys have any questions, comments, if you guys anything, I would be more than happy to answer them in the comment section below. Follow my Instagram here. I have 2 Instagrams for you guys. If you guys want to check it out, I upload mostly daily from my previous experiences, that I have some photos that never been uploaded before. Thank you for sticking in, and see you soon, guys, in the next video. Peace.